Excuse me.
Yeah.
I just saw you from over there, and I think you look very attractive. So I just wanted to compliment you.
Thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Gulnaz.
Hi, Abhishek. Nice to
Abhishek,
meet
hi.
you.
Nice to
What do
meet
you
you.
do?
I'm a designer. I am a
Designer.
graphic designer. Yeah.
Okay. What are you doing
Communication
here?
designer. I'm just walking around, spending my
Shopping?
weekend. Yeah, no, just having food, walking around, seeing stuff.
Are you from Mumbai only?
No, I'm not from Mumbai.
You're not. Okay.
No,
Where are you from?
I'm from Lucknow.
Lucknow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm kind of in a hurry. I have a little bit of plans.
So can we talk for 2 minutes? Can we walk and talk? I'll walk with you.
I guess, sure.
Okay. Let's go. Gulnaz,
Gulnaz,
hi.
yes. Hi.
बहुत अलग नाम है, मैंने पहली बार सुना है गुलनाज. मुझे गुलमर्ग की याद आई तुम्हारा नाम सुन के.
Gulma. That's so random. I mean, I've heard people say they remember Gulzar and stuff like that,
गुलजार.
but Gulmarg is the first one.
Okay.
Yeah.
तुम क्या करते हो?
So I am a designer.
Designer. Okay.
Yeah.
Corporate job.
Uh, Kinda. Yeah.
Kinda?
I work in a marketing agency, so I'm the communication designer, basically graphics
Okay.
and stuff.
I would have thought कि fashion designer हो सकती हो.
No,
No?
not fashion
But
designer.
your dressing sense is nice.
Oh, thank you.
Dressing sense बहुत अच्छा है तुम्हारा.
Appreciate.
Okay. What do you
Yeah.
like to do other than work?
Other than work,
Yeah.
well, I like to read a lot. I'm
Hmm.
someone who reads, yeah.
Okay.
And then I like to listen to music. Music is like, obviously, it's a very go-to thing. So, working, not working, doing whatever, music is the way.
Okay. So what do you like to read?
I'm very much into, I would just say, magical futurism sort of thingy, fantasies.
Are you into fiction?
And fiction. Yeah, it's all fiction, obviously. I mean, you think magical realism is not fiction. Obviously,
Okay.
it's fiction. Talking about what you're doing here. You know, since you
You're-
said it's like
Moving on.
No, why not? It's a two-way conversation. You
Okay.
said, so I'm asking.
Okay.
You should be.
I just came to Mumbai because I knew I'll meet some girl named Gulnaz.
No
I'll have a
way.
good conversation with her at night, and then I'll leave probably, and we'll be good friends.
No.
That was
But
my
like,
purpose.
That was so not your purpose. What's your actual purpose?
Actual purpose is loneliness लोगों की लाइफ में थोड़ा कम किया जाए. हर कोई डिप्रेस्ड है, उसको थोड़ा सा बताया जाए कि डिप्रेशन का रीजन भी होता है. You can't be just depressed because you feel like it.
I mean, that's true, but it's not just ki. I mean, obviously, if someone is feeling depressed, it happens to be for a reason, you know.
Okay.
It just does not happen ki, oh, suddenly they wake up and like I'm totally depressed. It's like little things that, I don't know, push them to the point where they feel that they are depressed or anything as such. So,
Okay, so how is your mental health?
so I would not.
Arre?
I mean, I don't
Laughing.
know. How am I supposed to describe what's my mental health?
Okay. So do you worry about something way too often?
Lots of things actually.
Okay. What is on the top of your head?
So the year has basically started, okay?
Okay.
And everyone was talking about how they have resolutions and stuff planned out,
Mhm.
and like things they want to see themselves by the end of the year, basically.
Okay.
And for myself, I could not exactly plan out or think where do I exactly see myself by the end of the year, or like
Okay.
what all do I want to see or want to do by the end of the year, that sort of thing. So I've been just thinking, what do I want? If
What
that-
do you want?
Exactly. What do I want? That's the thing that I have been thinking. If
So
that
did you
makes
get an
sense.
answer?
I did not. If
You
I
did
would
not?
have, it would not have been, on the top of my head, and then I would not have been like contemplating such a thing.
Yeah. But एक चीज ये भी है ना कि तुम्हें अगर कुछ resolution बनाने का ऐसा समझ में नहीं आ रहा, then you are already living that life which you want to live. Is it?
See, that's the thing. For the most part, I do not exactly have the thing where I want to see myself. Like,
Okay.
I don't know if that makes any sense. It's not like, oh,
It
I'm
does,
so
it does.
content with myself and I don't exactly want anything. That's not there. But it's not exactly that I know what. I don't know what I want.
Okay. So let me ask you, are you struggling with something in your life currently?
I don't think I'm exactly struggling
Okay.
because I got a new job. I've been working and it's been going well, I would say, and it's interesting. I moved to Bombay actually recently. This is my first time ever
So
here.
where are you from?
I'm from Lucknow.
लखनऊ.
Yes.
नवाबी.
Yeah.
मुंबई के बारे में सबसे अच्छी चीज क्या लगती है?
Good question. To start off,
To start off,
cats.
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 Why?
Why? I mean, it's like you see one at every 10 steps, and I am an
Okay.
extremely, I don't know, very deep cat lover. I just
Okay.
love cats. So it's such a nice feeling for me, you know, whenever I'm walking, and I just, even if we're like in a mid conversation and a serious mid conversation, and I see a cat, I will go pet that cat.
Yeah, I saw it today.
Okay. Another thing is the city is extremely interesting. Like,
Interesting तो है because I met you, so yes.
definitely. Yeah, I'm just here randomly telling about myself to extreme random stranger. who
Extreme
doesn't-
random stranger.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Yeah,
Do
I
you
don't
know
know
why?
No, I don't know why, but I'm just telling because who gives a fuck anyways.
Do you have any goals for yourself? Like आगे जाके मुझे ऐसा कुछ करना है.
We're not going to talk about that.
Why? Oh God. Oh, then तो you definitely have something in your mind.
Do I?
Do you?
That's the thing. That's the thing.
You might want to be a runner.
Super
Do you
random,
work out?
but I don't.
You don't. You're in a very good shape.
I don't
How
know.
is it that are you on a diet or something?
No,
you're
I
not.
was literally eating right there. Vada pav, samosa pav, stuff like
Okay.
that. I'm so not on a diet. I don't know.
Okay. अच्छा गुलनाज लास्ट टाइम रोई कब थी और क्या रीजन था?
I don't actually remember, honestly.
You don't remember? You're a very happy person then.
I'm not. Do I look like a very happy person? I mean, I guess. Oh,
Oh, now you remember. Yes. When was it?
I think it's extremely hilarious.
Okay.
Yeah, because I was crying because I was out. I came back home and I did not exactly eat anything for the entire day. And then I ordered food and my food did not came. And I was kind of arguing with a friend.
Are you a big
1:30
foodie?
a.m. No, I'm not.
No,
But I
you're
was
not.
just extremely hungry that day. And I wasn't exactly having a great day.
Okay.
So I was just super mad at the delivery guy.
But ऐसा
And-
personal reasons नहीं है. You don't have any personal reasons to cry.
Why do I have to
No, you don't have
cry
to.
for anything or any personal reason? I
See,
don't know.
like people have
I feel
reasons.
like,
Yeah.
no, so I had a reason. It was personal to me. I did not get food. That was personal to me. I mean, I don't know how does
That's
that
not personal at all.
I don't know how does that. Do you think you need a reason to cry? I mean, very personal
Yeah.
reason to cry. I
Like
feel
if you are stressed
everyone
about
is
something,
allowed
if you are very emotional,
if I'm stressed, I would
you are
not be
stressed about
crying.
food.
No, I'm not stressed. Oh yeah, that was one stress.
That-
Yeah, but if I'm like stressed about work and shit, I would not be crying. I would be
Okay.
like, if I'm stressed about work, I would want to work more instead. Like, where's the problem and stuff like that, rather than crying about it.
So like
But ठीक है,
adversity helps you.
I guess in
Okay.
ways. I mean, it's like people can cry about anything. But I would probably
Yeah.
see, I don't know, injured cat and cry about it. So
Okay.
that's definitely there.
अच्छा, what are you most grateful about in your life? वो क्या चीज़ है?
I'm just super grateful about literally everything. It's not like I have a big values and stuff. I would like to appreciate and be grateful about every single little thing in my life. I have
Positivity कूट के भरी है ना अंदर. Did you ever had a heartbreak?
heartbreak.
Yes.
Yeah, I guess, but
Yes.
it wasn't enough.
Or are you the one who
Heartbreak.
breaks?
No,
A lot of
no,
hearts.
no. So actually, it depends what kind of heartbreak are we talking about. Is it like
Okay.
the most common thingy, or someone breaks your
Yeah,
heart?
the most common thingy.
Well,
Yes.
I wouldn't exactly say I have had that kind of heartbreak.
Okay.
So there's that. But if you're talking about people in general,
Mhm.
people in
Like
your
friends or relatives or like that?
yeah, like some human in your life that broke your heart, then
Okay.
yes. But like if we're talking about the most common
Most
romantic,
common
sad,
thingy, yes.
yeah, the no.
So what kind of guys do you like?
What kind of guys you are like?
Yes.
How are we going from career and positivity to what kind of guys do I like?
Okay, let me change that. Do you like guys?
Do very controversial. I hate.
Oh God, controversial.
I mean,
इधर इधर दर्द हुआ थोड़ा सा एकदम से. Controversial, why? Do you like girls?
No, it's not that I like
No.
girls, but it's
Okay.
just ki,
You don't like anybody.
yeah, actually, I don't like anybody. Most of the people that I've had, you know, or try to have conversation with, it's like after one or two talk, people give me the ick, and
Okay.
I'm not exactly like picky or stuff, but it's just people give me the ick. That's it.
So maybe you have not met the right people, no?
I mean, obviously,
Yeah.
obviously, but that's
Now you're meeting those people, no? Be grateful about it.
okay. I mean, sure.
Just kidding. It was really nice talking to you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for talking to me.
You're welcome.
Yes.
It was nice talking to you as well.
You have a great evening. Thank you.
You too.
Yes.
So, see you.